If you find the content relevant, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell button to get a regular notification. Also do share your experiences and any suggestions that you have in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed. Hi, I'm Patrick and recording this video as a part of the home stretch, where closer to the cat we are trying to come up with videos that will help you with regards to the examination. Today's video is basically about three things that could affect your scores in the examination. First, complacency. What does complacency mean? I understand we all feel that no one is complacent in the exam and no one is relaxed in the examination. But it happens that it does happen in the examination. And this normally happens when the paper is easy. So when you go for the exam and the paper is easy and you feel that you're doing better than what you are doing in a mocks, you become a little happy and you become complacent. And the moment you become complacent, your motivation to push yourself becomes low and you end up solving a lesser number of questions. Very common, it has happened quite a few times in the past in the examination. Just to warn you, complacency is very, very problematic and you don't even realize it. You feel that you're doing really well because you're solving more number of questions. But actually it is possible that the paper is easy and therefore you're not. So it's very important that when you're able to solve question, you push yourself. Avoid being complacent in the examination. Avoid thinking that you're doing better, something on that. So one biggest problem is complacency. Second is low self-esteem. You feel that you're not going to crack the examination. Even that is bad. You go already with a low self-esteem or low confidence in the examination and something goes wrong, you're ready to give up. Not a good idea. You should always have a positive attitude. Give your best shot. That's what the idea is, no matter what happens. You should not have low confidence saying that give up at a drop of the hat. That should not happen. And we know that cat is unpredictable. That is the reason every year there are a huge number of people scoring very, very low scores, single digit scores. Because they don't have confidence in themselves and they're ready to give up. So they go in the exam, find a passage tough, they give up the verbal section. Go in the exam, find one DLR set tough, they give up. So avoid having low esteem. No matter what happens in that time period that you have, give your best shot. Try to do best as possible, and that is what is important. Even if you're not getting any answers, ensures that whatever you get, whatever simple things you get, go and do your best. That's what is important. Avoid, low confidence completely or low self-esteem. Third, that affects your score is anxiety, stress. So if you go with a very high amount of stress, again you will have a problem. You need to go with a relaxed mind. Try to ensure that you do your best. That is what is important without worrying about the outcome. If you keep on worrying about the outcome, oh, what will happen if I don't do well in the exam? Oh, if I don't do well in the exam, nothing is there for me as such. Automatically, it will affect your exam. When you go for the exam, go without much, thought process as to what will be the outcome of the exam. Try to relax as far as possible. Okay, learn to maybe do a small meditation during the examination if you come under stress. So 10 seconds, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and then come back. Rejuvenate yourself and try to solve. That is how you go about trying to reduce your stress and trying to go ahead and trying to solve it. That is what is important. So remember these three things. Because the reason these three things are important is people are not aware that will affect their scores. So remember these three things. Okay, your low self-esteem, your anxiety, and your complacency. All three are things that you should be aware about and taken care of. I hope that helps. Thank you.